So, shall I?
Yes, yes.
If the sum of first 5 consecutive numbers in an AP is 2.5. See what is given? 5 consecutive numbers. Whenever the concept of 5 consecutive numbers is there, you have to take, for example, let first 5 consecutive numbers are first 5 consecutive numbers is equal to a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a minus 2d, a plus 2d, sorry. See, if we take these numbers, what happens when we add this? Minus 2d plus 2d gets cancelled, minus d gets cancelled, and you will have only a. So therefore, whenever there is a concept of sum of 5 consecutive numbers, sum of 3 consecutive numbers, what you are supposed to do? You have to take a minus 2d, a plus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a. If 3 numbers they ask, you have to take a minus d, a plus d. If they tell you 4 numbers, then what will you do? So if they ask you 4 numbers, then you take a minus d, a plus d. Okay, what is the difference here? 2d. So if I take 2d difference, it will be a minus 3d and a plus 3d. If there are odd number of consecutive numbers, so then the middlemost will be a. If there are even number of consecutive numbers, so then you should not take a, instead you take these two and add 2d for the next numbers. Understood? Everyone understood? Huh? So now first 5 consecutive numbers is a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. So what is given? Sum is equal to 2.5. 2.5 means 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So that implies, let us add a minus 2d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d equals 5 by 2. So when we add minus 2d plus 2d gets cancelled, minus d plus d gets cancelled. So what do you have? A 5a. 5a is equal to 5 by 2. So that implies a is equal to 5 by 2. It is in multiplication, it comes to division. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So it will be a is equal to 1 by 2. You got a is equal to 1 by 2. Now what is given? What is the next given? The ratio to first and the last is 2:3. So let us do ratio of first and last is equal to 2:3. What is the first one? A minus 2d divided by, what is the last one? A plus 2d equals 2 by 3 when you transpose. So what will happen? 3 times a minus 2d equals 2 times a plus 2d. Now what is a? A is 1 by 2. So that implies 3 times 1 by 2 minus 2d equals 2 times 1 by 2 plus 2d. Understood? Now take LCM. What will happen? That implies 3 times 1 minus 4d divided by 2 equals 2 times 1 plus, when you take LCM, 2 to 4d divided by 2. Understood? So 2 and 2 gets cancelled because everywhere you have multiplication. Now I'll do it over here. So 3 into 1? 3 minus 12d equals 2 plus 8d. Right?
Yes.
So whenever you have variables on both sides, transpose the variable which is having lower coefficient. Which is lower, minus 12 or 8?
8.
No, minus 12, because negative is always smaller. So minus 12d you transpose and 2 you transpose. So 3 plus 2, when you transpose it becomes minus 2, and it is 8d plus 12d. So that implies 3 minus 2 is 1 and 8 plus 12 is 20d. So that implies d equals 1 by 20. You got a is equal to 1 by 2, d is equal to 1 by 20. So I don't have place, so I am writing AP over here. So what is a? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 20. Then, sorry, 2 into 2d, right? So here 1 by 2 minus, what is d?
1 by 20.
1 by 20. And here
1 by 2.
1 by 2. And here
1 by 2.
1 by 2 plus 1 by 20. Here 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 20. See, in order to make denominators equal, multiply with 10. If you multiply with 10, what will be the answer? 10 by 20 minus 2 by 20. And here If I multiply with 10 on both sides, so it is 10 by 20 minus 1 by 20.
Sir, 2 by 20, first one.
Sorry?
You wrote 2 by 10.
2 by?
First, 2
Here,
by...
okay, 2 by 20. So it is 1 by 2. And the next one is, here multiply with 10. 10 by 20 plus 1 by 20. And in the same way it is 10 by 20 plus 2 by 20. So therefore, what is the AP? 10 by 20 minus 2 by 20?
8.
8 by 20. And 10 by 20 minus 1 by 20? 9 by 20. After that, 1 by 2. After that, 11 by 20. After that, 12 by 20. These are the numbers which are in AP. These are the 5 numbers which are in AP.
Yes.
I don't have place, so it is. So you follow the steps whatever I have done. Understood, my dear students? The concept is whenever they say sum of 5 consecutive numbers in the AP, you take a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d. What is the concept? So that these the second variable is getting cancelled, so that you can get the value of anyone. Understood? If it is 3 terms, you take a minus d, a plus 3. If they ask 4 terms, what do you do? Don't take a. So a minus d, a plus d. But when you subtract, what is the common difference? Common difference is 2d.
2D.
So subtract 2d here, a minus 3d, and here add 2d. So it will be a plus 3d. You do this, then you will understand. Okay. So I hope you understood this. You copy it later. Okay. You copied it, right? Copy it. Pause it and copy it. Now I'll explain you. So if there are 3 terms, if they say 3 consecutive terms, you have to take a minus d, a plus d. And if they say 5 terms, since it is odd, the center will be a. So it will be a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d. If they say 4 terms, what do you have to do? A minus d, a plus 3, a plus 3d, and a minus 3d. And if it is 6 terms, let us say, they will not go to 6 terms, but if in case, so what is in between? A minus d, a plus d, add 2d, a plus 3d, next a plus 5d. In the same way, a minus 3d and a plus 5d. Got it?
Yes.
Everybody? Huh? A minus 5d. Understood? So that's it. Please practice after doing it. Just listening will not help you. You have to do it by your own. So then only you will understand. Otherwise, you will forget this concept. You write whatever I have explained now after seeing the video. Understood? Assalamu alaikum.